Hello everybody, welcome to the tutorial of the online tool called Padlet. We use Padlet in a blended online learning environment to stimulate collaborative learning. With Padlet, you can create a wallpaper where your students can put different posts on. They can like and give comment on posts of other people. They can also add images, text, likes and videos and so on to a post. Go to the website www.padlet.com. If it is the first time that you are working with Padlet, you need to sign up to use the tool. You can click here on the button Sign Up, it's for free. To sign up, you have different options. You can sign up with your normal email address and choose a password. Or if you have a Google account or a Microsoft account, you can use this one. I will use my Google account to log in. And now I see the dashboard of Padlet. On the dashboard, you see here my Padlets that I already had before. In the free version of Padlet, you can use up to 7 Padlets. If you want to create your own Padlet, click on the button Make a Padlet. You have different templates to make a Padlet. In this example, we will start with this one because I want to create different columns, and in each column I will have to use a discussion about a given topic. So I choose Select, and I have my first Padlet. You see you have already your first column. You can give a name to the column and you save it. Later on, people can give them their reaction under each column. On the same way, you can create different columns, like I do now, and you can create as many columns as you need. So now we have our different columns ready for the discussions. So it's time to pimp up a little bit our Padlet. In the right bottom, you have the button Modify. And you can give your Padlet a name. So I will call them Left Projects. You can give a description, made with love for projects. You can also use another wallpaper, so you have different ones. You can click on the button More, and you can choose different ones. So I will use this one. And save it. Under the wallpaper, you can also choose if you want the post to be light or dark. So I will choose light. You can also choose the font style. So you have a couple of options. And you can also choose the icon. The icon is a little symbol that will be here before the title. So I will look to some more. We have different options here. So we'll choose a strawberry and I will save everything. What you also can do is, it's very important when students want to collaborate, that they can give comments to each other's posts and that they can react. And as a react, they can, for example, they can like it or they can vote. So I will choose like it and I will save it again. So once your Padlet is ready, it's time to share it with other people so that they can attribute with their comments on your Padlet. You can do that by clicking on the button Share. And there are different options here. You can copy the link and send it by email to people, or you can get QR codes, or you can embed it in your website, as I did here in the website of Bleft at the homepage. So I will close it. Once people come on your Padlet, they see the plus, so they can add a post on this way. So we can give it first post. They can give comment here. And they have different, they can upload a document, put a link there, a photo. So I hope you like watching this tutorial and you will try out this tool because it can be very important in collaborative learning in your learning environment.